So this is the iPhone 16 Pro and is the US version. There is no SIM port on this phone. And what is that telling you? It's telling you it's time to switch to eSIM, and that's what we're going to show you in this video. If you own from iPhone 11 series and newer, you can use eSIM. On the Android side, if you're using Samsung S20 and newer, or some other Android devices, the list would be in the description of this video, so you can check it out. And while you're at it, do click on that like, share button, and subscribe and follow. The biggest problem that most people have about eSIM is transferring it from one phone to the other. So in this video, we're going to be very practical. We want to know how much time does it take to transfer an eSIM from one phone to another phone. If you're ready, let's jump into it. We're going to take the eSIM inside the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and move it to this iPhone 12. Now, remember, you need to have an internet connection before you remove or delete your eSIM, because there's going to be some security verification with your fingerprint before it can tell that it's you. So once we are ready to remove, we're going to put our timer. Now, this is that security verification. So once we're done, hit remove. Our timer is up. Now, once we've done that, let's wait for it to show that it is removed, and it has removed the eSIM. Now we're going to go to our iPhone, go to setting quickly, and then we're going to go to mobile network and click on add eSIM. So you can see that it's very easy. The QR code is on my laptop. Now it's popping up to ask for that. I'm going to use QR code scanning here, and I'm going to get it from my laptop. So I'm going to scan it, and it is that quick. Now it has scanned and the screen went off. So I'm going to unlock the screen so that you can see the prompt that it has actually scanned an eSIM. So, but this is not the final part. It will tell you to activate the eSIM because it's ready for activation. So once you have done that, you are going to click on activate eSIM and it will start activating. And I'm going to check it. Once it's done, it's going to prompt. Now it's telling you to add eSIM. So it took about 56 seconds to be able to give us that. But for us to fully add the eSIM, we're going to see how long more it's going to take. So we're going to go back in now, and we're going to see it is activating the eSIM, and we're going to wait for it to be done. What time? And that is in 77 seconds. A minute 17 seconds is what it took to delete our eSIM from the Samsung and move it to iPhone. So that's it. It took just about 56 seconds to do the initial, moving, but for everything to activate, it took just about a minute 17 seconds for everything to be activated. So it's easy. I don't need to tell you that the eSIM is more secure. Nobody can take your SIM card and they use it to make calls or SMS or check your balance or do USSD codes and all that. So make sure you switch to an eSIM if your device is compatible. So here's the bonus. Glow Network sent me a message that they have started their eSIM. So I can't wait. I'll be going to check it out, set it up on this phone and see how it operates. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see that. It's going to be another live vlog for our eSIM live vlog, and I'm going to carry you through all the processes. Make sure you follow me here to get that video. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get the video once we upload it. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world.